A retrospective and futurespective look at colors on the web. Vibrant colors have become the focal point of web design projects across a variety of industries. Red, orange, pink, bright green, blue, yellow, and black are some of the most popular colors for web design. The way we use color changes dramatically based on trends and time periods. Stealing from fashion and interior design. The color of the world around us is one of the strongest influences in our web design choices. In fact, cues from fashion and interior design seem to have a stronger influence on color trends across all aspects of design. Flat color palettes. Two major developments ushered in the emergence of vibrant color in web UI design. High-definition displays and the popularity of flat design. While flat design likely played a stronger role in expanding the use of color, the technology behind it made that rich use visible. One of the key components of the trend was an abundance of bright color. These days, flat colors have evolved and toned down as they are adapted to a variety of other projects. Monotone color schemes. One of the most popular ways to use vibrant color. Monotone color palettes use a single color with a mixture of tints and tones to create a unified yet nuanced visual design. Vibrant color lends itself to monotone palettes because it allows the designer to use a bold, maybe even unconventional color without trying to match it to other colors. This type of color scheme also allows a company to use colors in ways that might live outside of their traditional branding. High contrast color. High contrast refers to any color that is very different from the background. In minimalist contexts, you're likely to see any form of color with high saturation against a black, white, or gray canvas. Vibrant color is core to the minimalist design trend as well. Hega. Designer uses color only for a button in minimalist design framework. Because the touch of color contrasts with the white background and black image, the Case Studies button clearly communicates a call to action without explicitly urging the user to click on it. Studio Stylistic. Site uses the same teal color applied in different points that form a zigzag formation as the jacket on the model for the emphasis against a dark background. Uses that same concept with strategic teal lettering, buttons, and other elements of the jacket for emphasis. Common color associations. Designers need to think about meanings and cultural associations that are connected to certain use. While these feelings are not always set in stone, they should be part of the conversation when talking about color for a design project. Red can mean excitement, strength, love, or energy. Orange can mean confidence, success, bravery, and sociability. Yellow can mean creativity, happiness, warmth, cheer. Green can mean nature, healing, freshness, quality. Blue can mean trust, peace, loyalty, and competence. Pink can mean compassion, sincerity, sophistication, sweet. Purple can mean royalty, luxury, spirituality, or ambition. Brown can mean dependable, rugged, trustworthy, simple. Black can mean formality, dramatic, sophistication, or security. White can mean clean, simplicity, innocence, or honesty. Thinking beyond the present. As the overall design trend starts to swing back into outlining that are less flat, color will do the same. Bright, bold color will stick around and work more as an element on its own, rather than a supporting piece of another trend. The Impossible Bureau does a beautiful job of this. The site pairs a dark, minimal framework with a hover state featuring a bright purple to pink to orange gradient. Expect to see more designers experiment in this way and use bright gradients for user interface elements or as background patterns. Bold color is already beginning to emerge as the dominant visual for website designers. When combined with bold typography, bright color creates a stunning visual for websites that do not feature many images or illustrations. Two simple elements work together to create an even more powerful aesthetic. 5 free resources and tools. Color Wheel Primer. The color wheel is the starting point for all color theory. This primer, designed for interior design, explains how to expertly think about color. Color lovers create color palettes of glean inspiration from other designers. Create a monochromatic color scheme. Adobe Color is one of the most impressive tools out there, including the monochromatic color option. An Introduction to Color Theory for Web Designers by Tots. Color theory is more than just creating a great palette. It's about pairing use and readability and understanding and connecting with users. Pantone is the color of the year. The design world's color authority picks a trendy new color each year and has a ton of other color tools.